Picture yourself in a world where everything is go, 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 where we're all racing against the clock, impatiently tapping our feet as we wait for things to happen, expecting immediate results. Well, that's the world we live in, isn't it? And it's easy to get caught up in that. Too easy. But here's the thing, I've come to realize that life isn't always meant to be a sprint. I've never been the best runner anyway, so why am I trying to run through other areas of my life? Life is more like a winding river, and sometimes we just need to go with the flow. To enter the new year, I've chosen a theme that I believe many of us can relate to. And it's a concept that's become increasingly important in my life. It's about learning to trust the process, understanding that things will take the time they need to take. It's about living a simpler life, slowing down a bit, and savoring each moment like it's the best part of a delicious meal, which I have no problem doing while I'm eating. For me, it's also about having faith in the work I do. Instead of constantly overthinking, I want to do things well, but without creating obstacles that self sabotage, confident that everything will fall into place when they're meant to. So, my word of the year is patience. I invite all of you to join me on this journey and choose your own theme for the year. And I think we can all benefit from learning to relax a bit. Let's not rush the good things and let's let nature take its course. Who knows what we might discover along the way? As we step into the new year, let's raise a glass to this and may it bring us all a little more peace and a lot less stress. That'd be amazing, right? Anyway, here's to trusting the process, living simpler, having faith, and enjoying the ride. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear what words you've chosen to guide you in the new year. And if you want to know how to have the best year of your life in 2024, then I've made a video for you, and it is linked in the description below, so check it out. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and give me a little thumbs up. All right, I am signing off now. So I will see you when I see you.